Alrighty. Looks like we're working so far. I think I have to turn this down a smidge. Maybe there? Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, cool, hi! I was saying on another stream that I was going to, I'm also gonna turn it down on my end. I said on another stream that I was going to, try to start streaming some more of the back end stuff, so that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully it went through. Hopefully I basically turned off all these redeems. Because they're not going to work right now. I'm actually, not streaming this the normal way. Hello, Starman! Yeah, so instead of actually playing through the editor, I'm, well, I'm playing it in the editor. I didn't actually press play, which is why it's not, like, connecting to Twitch and all that, so, uh, none of the redeems are gonna work anyway, so I turned them all off. Oh, well, those work, of course. Also, I'll probably be a little lower frame rate than usual, but basically, I had I think it was Fruitsy maybe, or maybe I misconstrued something Fruitsy said. What's the one needle coat change? That's what I'm going to be working on. It has to be on so that I can try to trigger it maybe, but I pretty much I might just disable that. But basically, good segue. um, I was going to make. I'm basically going to split the change noodle cat type into different two different redeem options. You working on a calculator here? No, this is just the blueprint. This is just how everything works. It's like this little bit connects you to Twitch, and like, oh, hopefully this works. Uh-oh, there goes my frame rate. I'm gonna keep it playing just because I think it's funny. But yeah, so that's the bit that connects us to Twitch. Hydrate, I do have water here. Um, this makes all the textures. Got all the channel point redeems, which, wow. Wow, this is gonna suck. Yeah, no type changes tonight because it's not gonna work. It is a down to business stream, and honestly, I might have to turn this off if it keeps fucking with me like this and giving me like 2 frames per second. This might end up having to be audio only, which sucks because I like the model, but you know, what are you gonna do? But yeah, basically, I'm gonna start a function from scratch, and we're gonna try to see if I can get what I want working. So let's try it. Make a function. Wow. And we're gonna call it function. What? Change coat type? Yeah. Okay. So, let's see. Your frame rate is on the level of a web video from 1997. That sounds about right. It sounds about right. Let's see. I am about 3,000. Yeah, I'm pretty up there in terms of actually, what is my frame rate? I can probably have it tell me. Show FPS. We are running at a solid. Well, right now we're 14 frames per second, which is at least something. So if I move around here or do something, yeah, we're floating. We're floating around 6 frames per second at the moment. If it's distracting or we don't like it, I can turn it off, but I kinda want to keep it on because I think it's funny. But yeah, basically when you press like play, it it'll change this to read only, so I'm not allowed to edit anything. So if I'm gonna make any changes in the blueprint, then I can't. Let's see how your eyeballs spin. Uh-oh. How did that look? It looked great, I'm sure. I'm sure it looked delightful. Um, Flippable? I hope so. Very low FPS, but hopefully if it starts making this suffer, then we'll probably have to change it. Like if it's fucking with OBS, then I might have to just shut her off and then, do audio, but we'll see. Okay. So basically what I want this to do is I'm gonna split the change noodle cat types. So instead of changing to like gray tabby, orange tabby, calico, or whatever, we're going to do like a specials type. So that'll be like the VTuber ones, like Cosmic, Bubble, those will all be on their own event. And then anything that, oh my god. Are you serious? GPU crashed. Bullshit. Alright. Looks like the whole thing crashed. So we're gonna sit on here for a second. Cool. Well, that just means that we're not gonna play that. So here, maybe we'll turn off this one and turn on... Yeah, that one's already on. Well, I'm glad we got an eyeball spin in there. Let's skip restore. We didn't do anything. Okay. There. Look, it's me. Wow. Um, so. Ooh, there's a lot going on here. I get rid of this. Will you not let me delete this? Excuse me? Here. We can look at this. I'm trying to get rid of this. It won't let me delete it. Right? Can't delete. Excuse me? Can we just open this again? Where'd all my shit go? Excuse me? Well, maybe this is a disaster. Will it let me open stuff, though, at least? Oh, this is my atrocious attempt at that before. So, if I close that... Are we okay? We have a new function. I've always been on dial-up. Oh my god. So good. We'll see if I can even continue this. Or if it'll be stupid. Please let me drag around. No. No, we're just gonna shit the bed. Okay. We're gonna close it, reopen it. And if that doesn't work, then maybe maybe we'll model something. Maybe I'll change this to an art stream and then we can add some sort of model to this, which I don't have any ideas for, but I don't think I do. I was gonna do... Sorry, I'm checking my notes. Maybe this is a mistake. Maybe I made this... Maybe I... Is this not gonna close? Posting a pic and cursed images. Good. That's so funny. It's not taking, like, any inputs from me. Just close the whole damn thing, please. There we go. Did you disable your model? I did. Well, I didn't press play, so it didn't want to go. But now we're gone. Now I'm not here. Goodbye. There is nothing. There's nothing but me and lo-fi except in the VOD where there's literally nothing. Okay, so there's that. Maybe I just have to wait a second. Right? Maybe it has to think. Cancel. So what if I play it now? Oh, wait. Okay, now it's doing some shit. It's not giving me an error right now. Oh boy. Are you just thinking? You just thinking? That's fine. Can we open this? Okay, so now it looks like we can do some shit. Maybe. I was gonna say, I swear to God. Okay, so basically, game plan here. And we're just gonna sit here, cursed and silent, or not moving, unflinching. Um, now I gotta play it, right? Will it let me? Nope. Don't look at that. Oh, you know what? I wonder if it got rid of all that shit. No, it didn't. Right here. Hmm. Oh, maybe it didn't autosave. Okay, never mind. Um, so like here, let's see. Can I play it now? Whoops. Okay. So now we play it, right? And now that it runs, it's not letting me upload. Uh-oh. I hope nothing happened to it. Here, wait. What's your... You are... Okay, so you're both. Sorry, now this is gonna be a Discord troubleshooting stream as well. Roles, you're both, right? I'll post it to another. Yes, for sure. I was gonna say, I don't really know curse screen caps. I think it's all the channels that I made that are being dumb. Oh, it's in generally noodle? Okay, perfect. Hey, that is cursed. That's that's pretty good. I enjoyed that. Okay, cool. So yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's playing. And from what I understand, when it's playing, it like grabs from RAM rather than VRAM. But when it's not playing, it grabs from VRAM, which OBS uses a lot of, which is why it's slow as fuck. So that's fun. Um, but what I would like to do, like this then changes to read only, so I can't change anything in here. I can't change anything in here when it's playing, which is what I would like. Also, people can't put mufflers on their cars. You might be able to simulate too. No, no, you can't. Hold on. What is this? What am I looking at here? So this is the blueprint, right? The blueprint is just all of this shit like combined. So it has like has all my hats, it has everything on here. Um what I would love is if it could play an editor. I don't believe it has this option though. Cooking. No, I don't think this does. Ooh. Yes, no eyeball spins unless I go whoop. Eyeball spin. There you go. Maybe that's what I'll do. Maybe I'll play when when I'm not actively doing anything. But I imagine I'll be actively doing anything. This one has a better frame rate. Yes, that's because I pressed play. When I wasn't playing before, it would let me. And it was a whole setup to get it to do that, so that's fun. Although, what I could actually probably do... Does it change in here? Very slowly. Here, we're gonna do something stupid. We're gonna do something stupid. We're gonna do something stupid. Ugh. Ugh. Oh my god. Hold on. Can we just observe this? Hi. This is bad. Hi, Electrolama. We're making something cursed today. Hi. Here, can I throw it here? Because this might just have to replace what I'm doing here. We might just have to. Maybe it doesn't have to look quite like this. Here. We'll just try to recreate what I, whoa. Whoa. We'll try to recreate what we have here. Uh, that's too close. Eh. This like field of view, man. Thank you for the raid, by the way. Because I'll be looking this way. So I should be... You know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. This is... Yes. That is... That is exactly it. I'm glad you understand. This is the most cursed thing I've ever seen. Anyway, this might have to be our workaround. So, basically, hi, Electrolama and folks, would be a good emote. Off. Anyone get a screen cap of that? I'll go back and get a screen cap of it. um, but yeah, I'm gonna see if I can brainstorm a new way of doing these texture changes. So instead of having it all under like change noodle cat type, I'm gonna have a change coat and a change like and then separate that from the special types like cosmic and bubble and I guess the fan art ones of other cat VTubers. I'm gonna split them. Um, so basically I'm gonna try to make the coat version, which will basically I have a list of like I think 8 different pattern types. The first of which is calico, obviously. Calico, tuxedo, tabby, color point, which is basically Siamese, like a solid color, tortoise shell, spots, and marbled. Those are gonna be the types, unless I can think of others. And basically, like what you'd input into the text, like you would do like, you'd select the redeem of like change coat type, and then you'd my friend is getting a blue point Siamese. Oh, that's so cute. I love that so much. Um, send pictures if you have pictures of your friend's cat for some reason. Um, yeah, so basically the idea would be you'd select the redeem and you'd type either a color name or like a hex code followed by the pattern. So you'd be like, I want like a red calico, or I want like and I don't know, an asparagus tabby, something stupid like that. So basically, you can change the color and the pattern, which I think would be fun. It's just that's gonna take some big brain thinky time, which is why I'm here. um, because let me see if it'll let me pull it up. We're just not gonna see me for a second. Actually, I might be able to play. Are we here? No, we're just slow as fuck. Okay. It's alright, we'll just minimize that. And hopefully we're faster? Okay, yeah. Basically I can show you the material here. This is a much better frame rate, I think, than before. Show you the material that I have going on. Hi, y'all. Yes, I know, I'm exceeding my video memory limit, just relax. So, this is the material shader as well. This is how the whole thing runs. And the new bit is back here, right? So basically, you have the texture file, which is for the spots, which I can swap in and out. This is going to be the color that is input either by name or by hex code, and then there's a mask for each coat pattern that you then just lerp together, right? So basically, what you can do is just change these to anything, which is really fun, I think, because then you get different colored spots and shit. I can show how this would look separately. Hopefully this will be fun. I hope so. Oh shit, and it's changing here. Whoa. What about the black? I think black will just add, will just be like, just spotted. Yeah, just something like that. That's cool. I didn't think it would update on my actual thing. Now I look like a cow. Okay, cool. But yeah, I can also, if now that this updates, I can probably show what it looks like on other things, right? So I can just grab the gray tabby texture, which will lerp it with the, oh wait, it doesn't actually show. I probably have to, moo, I'm a cow. Yes. I meant, can we change the black areas to a different color too? Right now, no. That would probably take a separate mask. Um, and I'd probably have to lerp them together, and that would probably be calico specific, so that might be a smidge difficult. A smidge more difficult. Um, Here, let's see. And I think this would need this one? Yeah, there we go. So then you can just change this color as well to like anything. And it'll just like lerp between them, which is cool, I think. So yeah, basically I have to set up a function that does that and takes the user input and changes all of that. Which is why I thought I'd throw it on stream, because usually this would take me hours of like just beating my head against a wall trying to figure it out. But now I can do it with people, maybe. If this is at all interesting to people, I have no idea. Cool. Yeah. So there's that. Let's set this back to default. Boop. Cool. Okay. Then nothing changed on that. But yeah, basically these are the three things I have to incorporate. Everything else was pretty much fine. This is all the cell shading stuff basically, and then I think this one is for the outline. Yeah. Oh, and I have a hue shift as well. Why do I have a hue shift? Oh, okay, well that doesn't do much. I don't know why that's here. The software is a bit daunting, but I watch. It is so daunting. Welcome, and glad you're here. I am just gonna beat my head against this problem until I fix it. Which I hope is mildly entertaining. Well, I don't know. Yeah, we didn't make any changes, that's fine. So, now I'm gonna pause this. Free code. Hi! What's up, Boom? Welcome. um, this is like virtual electronics. A little bit. A little bit. The block diagram coding isn't bad to follow. Yes, and that's why I like it. That's why I like it. I'm here to steal your cat code. For sure. I'm gonna be like doing this. I'm actually gonna be using some of your code. I'm gonna be using your colored one. Um, like pick color from hex RGB stuff. Soldering stuff to perf board and then connecting all the per boards together to make something sweet. I mean, kind of, but digital. I'm gonna steal it back. Okay. Do you know about Scratch? I do. I don't know. Okay, it is perf boards. Got you. Oh my god, it's been ages since I've used it. It's been a long time, but that was like a really early like coding structure that I've used. I don't know if I'm spelling it right. Well, I don't know the words. There you go. But yeah, so while I'm doing this, we're gonna be cheating. We're gonna be fuck. There we go. This is going to be how we view me in a solid like 8 frames per second. Not even. Or yeah. Look at that. Ooh, video memory. Yummy, yummy. There we go. Okay. There we go. That's better. Here, we're gonna zoom in again because there's more people here. Oh my god, it still kind of works. Hold on. First head pats. Hi. That's how Electrolama joined the stream. It was delightful. I taught coding to elementary school students once. That's awesome. Yeah, Scratch is perfect for that. Also uses visual programming. Yeah, wasn't that, I don't know if you'd call it node-based, but yeah, it was very visual, like connect the dots based coding. It was very cool. It was very interesting from what I've seen. Um, okay, so first thing I have to start with is a variable that I already made, also thanks to Boom, because all we do is steal code from each other around here, apparently. First assignment was a simple maze, which you can set up in like a minute. That's awesome. That's so cool. So I'm gonna get the the body of the message, right? Like what it actually says. We stealing code. It's all we do. It's either look, it's either we're stealing code from each other, from GitHub, or from like some forum from like the early 2000s. That's like how you learn. That's how we learn these days, basically. So, because I'm gonna have to, yeah, I'm gonna have to parse the string. So can I parse? Parse into array. I think there's already a space in here, right? I don't trust it, so I'm gonna add a space. So that's gonna split the string depending on where there's a space. So we can get each of these. Let's see if I remember or understand how this works. I learned by using oh yeah, Stack Exchange, absolutely. Um I learned by using random nodes instead of watching 10 hours of Unreal tutorials. That's fair. I'll watch them one day. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of information out there on it, but you gotta sift through a lot. Like that's the only downside of there being a lot of like online tutorials and shit. That there's a lot of bad ones as well. So basically what this will do, right, is it'll get like the first bit before a space and the second bit after the space. So the first one's going to be the color and the second one's going to be the pattern. So now we get to the fun part. With the color, I already have a function that grabs the color from the message, right? So that's our message. And then this is the one. This is Boom's code that I stole. Cat taking notes. You're taking notes on your own code again? I think I made some edits to this. I think this was the base. And then I also did it for RGB as well. Where I just forced it where I'm like, if this very first one is numeric and doesn't have like, or no, if the whole thing is numeric, that's what it is. Then it follows through with this. If not, then it continues. Like if there's any letters in it, then it'll go down here. I stole that color code from Max Headroom, but I made edits. Yes, yes, yes. We all just take people's code and then just make little edits on top of it to make it work for us. Like I think I just added this little RGB value. Yeah, and then regardless, that all spits it out to the out color. So that's our new function. I should name the new function. Hold on a second. I forgot that I didn't do that. Yeah, rename. Function change coat. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Because this is probably going to be a beefy ass function if I'm gonna do all of these different types, right? Like 8 different types that all need like, because it depends on how complicated I want to get, right? Like my original idea was that not only would it change the body type or like the body color, it would also change don't you dare autosave and crash again. Okay, thank you. That's what it did earlier. Um it's either yeah, it's either I just leave it to change the body or I have it also change like eye, nose, and mouth color. But that's gonna be hard and gonna be a lot of like hue shifting and adding like colors to each other is it's gonna be something. So we'll see, we'll see. So basically, yeah, this takes the input, right? This that takes the first bit and then runs the color function on it and then spits out a linear color, right? So then the linear color is what's going to have to like basically in the end. Ooh, you know what? I have to pull in the yeah, the master material for the body. So what I have to do is set vector parameter. Yeah, basically, long story short, you'd plug in the out color into the parameter. I don't remember what I named it. Materials. What did I name it? I named it user color. Okay. That's what we're gonna call it. User color. Yeah. So like at the end of the day, that's what's gonna happen. It'll just add it to this body. Right? But what it also has to do is I probably have to. No, this is the test one, isn't it? Yeah, let's close the test one. Because that I don't need. We'll go to the actual change type. Because it probably also has to do all of this as well. Oh, wait, and before all of this as well, right? What it has to do is it has to see if the string is empty. Wait, I don't have to do it there. Is empty. And I'll probably have to branch that, which is basically like a true false. Yeah. So, yeah, first thing I want to do is if you leave that text box empty, if it'll let you. Oh, I should have checked it. Whoa, I'm being rated again. What's up, Sammy? Look at all this fancy stuff. It's this is the back end. This is what runs the whole thing, baby. That that's it. Look at all that shit. It's a lot. So we're gonna be adding to it. Um, yes, so if this so basically if is empty is true, then we have to set user color to something. But that will change depending on the string, right? Oi, Electra. Noodle Cat's model has a big back end. You're damn right. I. You're damn right. Anyway, I find it funny. Cool. So is empty is true. Then what'll happen is we'll probably need to switch on string. Switch on string. No. Oh shit. Yeah, because that'll switch on this string. Habushki. There we go. Yes, because then this is the pattern, right? And let me just input the patterns, right? Oh, I'll probably have to do that in the details. Hold on. Please come back. Are you not gonna let me? Oh wait, add pin. Okay. Hey! Hey! Let me add things! Mine is a simple PNG. That is, I mean, I don't know why I'm crazy and decided to not just go with the PNG, dude. I just, that's honestly the better way to go. Oh wait, do I have simulation on? Turn that shit off. Oh shit. Oh no, we're fine. This still works. Okay. I don't know why that was on. Cool, so now I can add these. So, we're just gonna hide me for a second. You know what? Cat code, cat code. Yeah, wait, can I? Aha! Look, it's a perfect VTubing setup. I feel like if I knew UE, I would use this too. It's... We were just talking, there's a lot of resources out there, and it's free. So, it's very fun. Cat is back. But Cat's gonna hang out down here. Here, wait. You know what this is perfect for? Extreme. Wait, that's a little too extreme. Extreme close up. Hi. All right, that's a little too close. But we'll chill down here. This is our workaround. We'll just have this wonderful video memory exhausted warning playing on top of me. Okay, so I have 8 different patterns I want to go through, right? We got calico. We got I'm just gonna put these all in because I imagine I'm gonna have to use the switch on string more than once. Got tuxedo. Also, I got a mechanical keyboard and the X doesn't really work great, so it'll probably just like spit a ton of X's out. I have a tabby. Little tabby cat. I want a color point. Or should I just call this Siamese? Because that's like the breed, right? Maybe that's what we'll call it for now. Because like color point, I guess, is technically the pattern type, or like the coat type, but like everyone knows it as Siamese. So we'll leave it that. We'll go solid. Lurking cook, absolutely. What you making? If or when you come back. We got solid, we got tortoise shell, tortoise shell, tortoise shell. I can still spell, I promise. Oop. So we got a torty, we got spots. Got spots, and then we got marble. Cool. So those are the strings. So basically, if empty is true, basically I'm trying to set the defaults, right? So if there's nothing here, or I can always change this if it doesn't accept like an empty. Actually, I can test that, can't I? Can't I just boop? No, you have to provide a message. Okay. Actually. Oh, you're making noodles? Nice. Okay, so you can't make it empty. But what I can do is... Oh, wait. Nope, not there. Ooh. What I can do is... Can I do equals? Yeah. Hey. Rude. Okay, well, I guess it doesn't want to work. Is that a math one? Oh, equal exactly. Okay. Case insensitive. Yeah, that's fine. We could do that. So, basically, if the string that you input is... I don't know what we call it. Uh-oh. Please? Okay. We can call it... What, default? I was kind of hoping that empty would work. Yeah, maybe we'll just do default right now. We'll try it. So if you put default, then it should set this to the defaults, right? So we are going to copy and paste. There's going to be a lot of copy pasting for these. Because that's going to be like the very first thing, right? And then we'll go into here if that ends up being false, right? So let's pull all that shit up here. Uh-oh. We back? Okay, we're back. This is just going to be like this, and that's fine. This is okay. Pull that here, because we're going to be using that all the time. So, if it's calico, the color value for user color, we're just going to force it, right? That's going to end up being this one. Can I copy that? I think. Oops. I copied that, didn't I? I hope. Because then I should just be able to, hi-yaw. There we go. Right, so then that sets the default. And then I just copy paste that over and over again with the defaults for each pattern, right? So we'll do tuxedo, which I don't remember what that default would look like. I'm gonna pull it up. Should change in here, right? Also, I don't know why it's so much lighter here. Like, really light. We won't stay here long. The cat will come back, I promise. Can we do, like, because my X doesn't work? Edo? Yeah, there we go. So there's the top. But it still has my little spots. So would this be here? No, I have a mask for this. Yo. Yeah. So then you can do, like, a tuxedo change like that. So, then I guess my default is black, right? Yeah. Okay. We'll do that then. Default's black. Boop. Okay, then what about Tabby? Tabby will probably be gray, right? And I don't think... I do have a mask in here, but I don't think it works great. I think I was just gonna leave that at the 0.5 mask, which is literally just a solid color. Or this 0.5. Yeah. So that's black. That's white. I guess if it's an alpha, then black does nothing, right? Yeah, black does nothing. And then this lurks between everything, right? Okay. So default here would also be black. Hi, I'm back. And hi, what's up?
That's him.
Silly cat! I'm being distracted. I'm being distracted by cat. I am cow cat again. Paste. Oh, I guess whenever I change that, it's gonna change it in the thing. All right, so then Tabby will also be black. Ooh, what about Siamese? Do I have that one? That's a Sphinx. Yeah, there we go. Siamese. Oh, look at how cute. And I guess the mask. The mask should also work here, should it not? Yeah, that also kind of works. I wonder if I have to desaturate it, though. No, that works. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Then the mask will be here, and the default will also be black. Okay. That's fine. I think the only one where I actually have a different mask is for... For now, I think it's the tuxedo. The tuxedo and the tabby. Yeah. So, default black. Yes. Let's do that. Copy paste. For Siamese. Unsolid would be the same, right? Yeah. Solid. And these I don't have textures for yet. But I imagine that I will make them such a way. Wario Cat does things, yes! Here, wait. Let's, pick a color. Right now, I'm gonna pick this color. Yay! Look at that. Okay. We're gonna go with this one. But otherwise, throw a color in there, and then we'll change it. This is gonna be the result. And if I can get this to work, then I can maybe hue shift all of the other, like, features, right? But then I imagine I'll have to set the defaults for everything else, right? Yeah. Yeah, I would. Yeah. That'll be hard. That'll be a lot. Um, so then I imagine, yeah, I imagine the rest of these would also be black. I think maybe just this. Cat brain doing things. Cat brain breaking, if we're being honest. Cat don't know shit. So let's copy paste. Boop. Just copy paste all my problems away. Yeah, there we go. We can do that. Head pats. Oh no! Good night. I can't reach them. I appreciate them though. You just pet the details bar. Are you able to hue shift the eyes too? I imagine that would make for cooler color combos. That's exactly what I was thinking. Because I like having the two different colored eyes and having I like having the eye colors that I have like for everything. Don't you dare crash. Don't you dare crash on autosave. Okay, thank you. That's what I would love to do. I know it would get complicated though. I might try it. You can do anything in Unreal Engine, absolutely. I enjoy your two different colored eyes there, the same as my cats. Oh my god, really? I don't think I've ever seen a cat in person with, like, the actual two different colored eyes. That's adorable. I love that so much. Cool. So there you go. You have these. Worst comes to worst. I think what I might have to do here as well, before I do all this, is also set the masks. Or wait, no, I can do that. No, I can't. Mm. Brain. um, right, so these are all the defaults, if this is called default. But before I do this, uh-oh, don't do that. PRP. All good, take your time. It's gonna be, my brain's gonna BRB, it seems. Because before this, I have to, like, set all of these up based on the string, right? I met someone with heterochromia. Yo! That is, okay, that makes sense. That's so cool, though. I forgot that people can have that. So, before we do all this, I think I have to do this. And then we're also going to take the message body. Nope, not the full message body. Okay, that'll also go here. Okay. Yeah. We'll need a sequence in here. Sequence just basically means that you can do things at the same time. Like it's a this, then this, then this. So, whoops. First thing we gotta do, right, is do this shit. First thing we gotta do is make sure that we set, to make sure that we set the textures and the masks and everything. Wait. Can't I pull in the normal change type for that? All I need to do, right, because this is basically that. Yeah. Yeah, because then all I have to do is add another parameter to this. Or sorry, another input. Add it. This will be... What is this called? This is a texture. Is this texture 2D? Yeah, texture 2D object reference. And this will be called body mask. Yeah. That's perfect. Oh wait, I just have to move it. I don't want it on the bottom. I want it with all the rest of the body stuff. Yeah, we'll put it right under the texture file. Yeah, holy shit. Okay, you can just do that. So then after the texture file, sorry, this is where shit gets like super complicated. Because I can show in the event graph here, this is how it's already set up, right? These are all the types that I have. I have the calico, tuxedo, black, Russian blue. This is basically the order in which I added them. And this is the function, right? So I'm like, do you have a new body material? No, so then you don't add anything. And then you add, you know, obviously calico to calico. But now I can set the mask. And this is how it sets like the shading. And this is obviously my nose color and right eye, left eye. And it all changes depending on the, whoa. It all changes depending on the type, right? I think this one's the spooky type. Which one's this? Oh yeah, and these are where it sets the new material, right? So this one's for ghost. Yes, there's a new material, so make it be a ghost. Which is super complicated, but now that I have this body mask, I think I can also pull the change type into here as well. As long as this works. I have to pull in... I have to change... Yeah, I have to change another texture parameter value. And throw that shit in there. Eh. Eh. There we go. I got it. Yeah. Yes, I know my memory's exhausted. Relax. Cool. So then that will take this input, right? We will take... Whoa, come back. Thank you. And this is not texture file. What is this called? Is this just called mask? Yeah, just mask. Okay. Mask. Please? Uh-oh. Okay. There we go. My poor, poor computer. Mask. Cool. So then that'll set the parameter that is called mask to whatever you input as body mask. Compile save. Okay. So then I should be able to just pull in change type for each of these, which is awesome. Hello. What'd you do? Congrats. My partner's playing Hades and has just fucked Meg. Oh shit, Hades spoilers, by the way. Play Hades. Okay, so this might have to go into the wild blue yonder of over here for now. This is not pretty. This is not pretty yet. Okay. Oh, wait. Even better. Hold on. We'll cut that. If I can copy paste from the event graph, then it's over. Then it's over. Copy. Change code. Paste. Oh my god, it's over. This is far less work. Okay, cool. So if we're Calico, then we set all this shit, right? And oh, this is Calico. Calico mask. Right. Okay. Cool. So then first by default, we set this stuff. Right? Just flat out. So let me copy from some of the whoops. Close that. Oh wait, you know what? This also has like hiding stuff in here. Hmm. I'm gonna take it anyway. Okay, so that one's tuxedo. I'm gonna take the one for gray tabby. Oh god, where's that? Which one's called gray tabby? It's this one over here. Whoops. Tabby. Paste. Tabby. Right, so then the body mask is Ido. This one is 5.5. Okay. And now we're starting to clip into shit. Very cool. Your virtual function being called while application is running. Nothing should be called. What are you talking about? I think I froze. What does that mean? Okay. Well, cool. Very neat. I'm gonna boot it back up again. I'm glad I saved. I'm back. Where's Cat? Cat crashed. Cat is coming back up. I promise. I'm gonna take a sip while we're in the void. My computer is really not happy that I'm streaming Unreal Engine. It's really not happy. And this is why I would love, absolutely love to be able to package my VTuber thing, but I'm not sure if I can do that with all the plugins that are required here, right? I don't know if I can do that. Okay, we're back to Unreal Engine. Where'd my shit go? Oh. Oh, I had that hidden for now. Okay, right. Because I was here. Please? Aw. Remove the viewport again. Boo! Boo! There's somebody in the background Takes their car for a friggin' trip. Hi, we're back. Anyway, shoo. Let's leave that there. Okay, so we have the coat. Okay. Is it just not happy that I have... No, because I have other functions in here. Why would it be unhappy with that? Do I have to set anything other than the texture and the mask? I don't think I do, right? Oh no, I have to set everything else, right? Okay, I do have to set everything. Boo hiss. Okay, so we're just gonna hope that it doesn't do that again. And just like compile save after each of these. I don't even remember the error message it gave me. What did it do? What did it say? Compile save. Okay, yeah, let's compile and save, so I don't know what the dealio is here. Whoops, don't take that. You you put that back. No. No, put it back. There we go. Eh. Come on. You're being dumb. Oh, we're just gonna hate y'all. Got it. You know what? We're gonna bring this down here. Then it's out of the way for now. Okay. Again, very not pretty. Alright, close that. Let's grab the tuxedo one. Boop. Also, I don't know if I can test this live on stream, so I might just build this and have it not fucking work, which is fine. Compile save. If you crash again... Oh, this will be for solid, right? That'd Oh god, which one's solid? I don't know. That one's over here. Please? Please? I said please. Copy. Paste. Oi. What's going on here? Right click, copy, right click. No, paste. There. Oh my god. Oh, okay, that's not too far. Oh, y'all. So I'll just scoot that over here. File save. I need the tabby. Go back to gray tabby. There you are. Control C. Control V. Oh, don't you dare do this again. You make me think that something bad's gonna happen. Eh. There we go. Tabby? File save. I think I do have the Siamese thing at the very end, do I? I do. Control copy. Control paste. These. Okay. Then we got solid. And then the other three I don't have right now. Cool. So I'll leave those for now. Right, so this is first thing we gotta do. First thing we gotta do is set all of those. Let's make this a little prettier if we can. Whoa. Pull that down. Schmidgen. A little bit more of a schmidgen. Cool. Okay. So what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna break this connection. Yeah. Because I can call that later. At a time that makes fucking sense. Hi y'all. Yeah. Oh, because I need that here. That's fine. That's okay. We will pull this in, right? Is this the, yeah. Yeah, we'll just get it here. That's fine. Whoops. Please plug in. There we go. I said I was gonna make this a short stream, but I don't know how long it's been. It's been about an hour, okay. We'll see how far I can get with this before my brain fucking explodes. Okay. So, where does this go? Okay, right, because then that goes false. Basically, this will then be the second thing it does. Then it'll start looking at the string, right? The main string. Although this should go over here, right? Here's what's better. Here's what's better. This will go back here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna set a few freaking variables. That'll just be easier. Remote to local. We're gonna call this We're gonna call this string color. And we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna promote this. I'm gonna call this string, please. Instead, we're gonna call it string. This one's the pattern, right? Or sorry, coat. There we go. Cool. So then first things first. Actually, first things first is set this shit. Right? Because then once we have these set, then we can start throwing them in other places. Cool. So then instead of doing this, to break this, we're gonna grab string coat and plug that in. Yeah. Then if string coat is any of that shit, then that's what it'll do. Then this one's color, right? Break this link. String color. Oh yeah. There we go. Cool. So string color is that. Oh wait, and this is also string color. Oh yeah. Cool. So I got that, right? If the... Oh wait. Nope, that's not that is not correct. This is default, right? Yes. Right. Right, because if the message is just default, then just set the default bullshit. If it's not, should this be looped into all this? Yeah. Because these are the default inputs. Hmm. Hmm. Because I would also love for these to output these colors. Or maybe just the key colors? No. Right, because my question is how will I hue shift this? Because that's in theory what I would like to do at the end of the day. Have it also change the eye color and the nose color and shit. Because if that's the case, then I might as well just throw this user color into the main change type, right? Because then I'll just start with, if it's default, do this stuff. Yeah. You'd hue shift the user. Basically, I would do the hue shifty math, right? I'd be like, okay, what's the difference between like this? I would be like, what's the difference between the default color and the hue shift color, right? Or sorry, oh, change RBG or whoa, RGB to, is it HSV? HSL, and then use the hue value to change a float on the hue node in the material. Do I have a hue node in the material? In the material? Is that like a default thing, or is that something I have to set up in the material? Right? Where's my material? Because I have this hue shift, but I don't think that that does anything. I'm not sure that does anything right now. I think that was left over. Right? Hold on. Can I preview this? Is there a Kato? Kato! She's been sitting behind me the whole time. I will pet her. She's so good. Anyway.
And maybe it's string.
What is this? What does this do? Can I make this like 10? Nope. Please let me type. Do I have no music? Oh. Why did my numlock go away? Yeah, I don't think this does anything. Okay. Hmm. I know what you mean though, right? Like all you have to do is the math, right? You just grab the hue value from that HSV or whatever it's called. And then you just add that. You would just add that to the like materials, right? Does that make sense? Am I being dumb here? I might be being dumb here. Here, wait. I I might be being dumb. I think I might be being dumb. Anyway. Right. Okay, so then this, I think it would make sense. Excuse me. I think it would make sense to loop this in to the main change type function. And then just set these as default, right? So then essentially it'll be, whoops, come back. Right, instead of doing this, we'll set default in the beginning, right? I don't do math, I just take a hue from the incoming color. You just take the hue of the incoming color. Hue from... Yeah. I mean, like, can I just do linear color? Can I just can I just make a linear color real quick? Okay. In out color. Oh, but you can't have black or white because I don't have hue. See, that's why I was thinking you could hold on. Right? You have an out color. Because then what you can do, what you're saying is you can change that to HS. I think it's HSV. RGB to HSV. And then I think you can break it. That's not correct. I don't think so. Break linear color. Hold on. HS. Oh wait, no, I can do vector. And then can I break the vector? What? Huh? This should work though, right? Linear color structure. Can I do to vector? Okay. Yeah, because then basically I would do the math of you can add vectors, right? You just do add. And then you can just add shit to the hue, right? Yeah. This was. Oh, when you break it, it'll say RGB because that's what the material nodes are listed. Oh, okay. So the first one will be hue. Okay, so then RGB will just like line right up with HSV, I guess. I guess that makes sense. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Maybe it's easier to work in floats rather than vectors, but basically my idea was that like say you have. Oh god, this is gonna hurt my brain. Okay, so if this color, right, your out color ends up being like just a default the body key color, right? This one. But it's not the body key color. Fuck. I probably could make it that, but like basically fuck the body then. Ignore the body. Say that it's like because my default color for the user defined color for a calico is this one, right? I guess it wouldn't work with black, which is really cool. Hmm. Hello, Technomancer. How you doing? I'm breaking my brain over here. Yes, thanks for lurking. It's all appreciated. Any viewership matters. Okay. See, because then I guess black wouldn't work. Maybe I'd have to do. Basically, I'd have to find the difference between this color and every other color here in terms of hue, right? Like this hue is about 24, right? So that if this hue is 294, then 294 minus 24 is something. And then you would plug that value into here, right? You would just add that. You would add that value and then plug that in to the new nose key, right? Right. Black would be an if function you could add later. Yeah. Yeah. So if I do that, hmm. Yeah, I'm not sure if this is making any sense to me. Like, it's one thing to change the user color, right? Yeah, I do mine completely differently and within the material. Yeah, I think the only one that I have right now is like this base color, right? Which influences these. And I'm like completely open to changing these, but I don't know how to do that. That I don't know how to do because right now I just have the shading as colors, right? And that just multiplies into a texture file, basically, right? And then I have like this user color, which just defines the spots. So I imagine there might be more material editing I have to do. Sorry, you can't see my face. I'm doing one of these right now. But I think we have some pretty decent logic at the moment, right? You have like a thing to set the default, and then you grab your color string, set that to be the color. Like worst comes to worst, right? If I don't touch anything else, this will change what color gets lerped into things. And then I just have to make sure that that these are set, that the masks are set, right? Like bare bones, I think that makes sense. Hmm. Because it's either that or I change, right? Because we have like the eyes, and essentially the eyes are just treated as if there's a solid color. Like I'm not even adding a texture in here, right? Or like a base color, which I think is probably the way I should do it. Right? You have like a color, an eye color base, and then you add the shading in like grayscale or like close to it, and then multiply those together. Instead of what I'm doing right now. Yeah. Yeah, I think I have a lot more of that work to do. But I am no master of materials right now, so and honestly, it's a Friday. My brain hurts, and it's only been an hour and a half. So I think I might call the stream here and pick this up again later. I'm very glad that I have this down at least. Like this is at least something. I'll have to figure this stuff out, but I have it split the string. I have it set defaults, and then I have just also defaults over here, right? This is akin to doing puzzles on stream a little bit. I mean, I have a problem. I want it solved, and we're trying. We're trying to solve it. I guess it makes sense. But um here, let me play this. Uh yeah, not here. Let me play this for us being here. Hi. Let's play this and let's change the color. Maybe purple. Purple's good. Let's be purple. Okay. Anywho, yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here. Um, brain hurt, it Friday, long day, long week. But thanks for hopping on. I hope that this was as entertaining as doing puzzles on stream. It's just me talking through the process, I guess. But there you go. 'Tis a stream. I would like to do some more of these short streams throughout the week. I think I was mentioning during my RCT stream earlier this week that I just find this thoroughly entertaining, especially now that I have this stupid fucking other option here. Oh no. Not that. But okay, fuck it. Anyway, now that I have this option where I can keep playing stuff. Um well, yeah, well, thanks for hopping on this impromptu stream. It's been delightful. Let's let's hop into Oh, boo, it didn't save. Obviously we need pink now. Let's see. Let's see if there's anyone I know who's streaming. This is like not a normal time for me to stream, so oh, yeah, let's sit in here while I look for somebody to raid maybe. If you have any suggestions, do let me know. Oh wait, Dead Sun Prime is streaming right now. Another Unreal Engine VTuber. Let's go raid. Let's go see what he's up to. He's playing Fortnite, but his model and everything is really cool. So if nothing else, stick around for that. I don't know. I'm not a huge Fortnite fan, but I will definitely be watching the Dead Sun Prime. Hopefully, hold on. Is this case sensitive? I'm not sure. Anywho, there we go. Spelled right? Spelled right. Okay, let's get raiding. Thanks for hopping on while I do my stupid little adventures in Unreal Engine. I'm still on time for stream. Yes, we're gonna see what Dead Sun's up to. I'm still on for tomorrow's stream, for Elden Ring. So if anyone's around, you're more than welcome to hop on. But anyway, I've also been